What's up, 18? This is Pablo.
Josh, Stel,
Ken, and Justin.
we know how much you've been missing us and the moments we shared last year, especially the kickoff.
And that's why 18, if you want to relive the time with us, listen to Simula at Wakas Kickoff Concert album.
Pre-save it now so you'll be notified when it drops on January 30 at 12 midnight.
We have more surprises coming your way, and this is only the beginning.
Follow our social media and stay close. There's so much more ahead.
We miss you, 18!
Bye-bye!
O mga 18, ayan na nga ang update mula sa Limang Mahalima dahil nagkaroon sila sa broadcast channel nila ng voice recording. Sana nag-live video na sila, 'di ba? Dahil syempre mas nakakamiss dahil boses lang. But anyways, yung good news nila idadrop na nga nila ang Simula at Wakas, the kick-off concert album. Kumbaga it's a live version of Simula at Wakas tracks, no? So I'm very excited dito dahil may mga areglo na nagustuhan natin sa concert at katulad na lamang ng Moonlight, I Want You, R&B version, slow version and all. Oh my goodness, ako'y na-excite na while doing this content, no, dahil January 30 at 12 midnight, sabi nga ni Justine, pwede na natin mapakinggan at you can pre-save it now. Pero syempre, no, ang aabangan natin ay ang April 18 dahil ang Wakas at Simula naman sa SMDC. Oh my goodness. This is just the beginning, sabi nga ni Josh. Kaya I can't wait sa mga surprises nila. Alam naman natin na there have been lie low muna this January dahil nga syempre napaka-busy talaga nila last year. Pero meron silang bagong handog. Ito na nga yung kick-off album na pwede nating mapakinggan this January 30, 12 midnight. Abangan natin to mga 18.